Hello, I am Sylvia Smart, a naturopath and founder of Pure Nature Life. Welcome to day one of Heal Your Body Naturally, Smart Steps to Better Health. Do you feel overwhelmed by conflicting health advice? One expert recommends a new diet. Another suggests supplements. Social media offers endless solutions, but it can still be difficult to know where to begin. The truth is, your body is an interconnected system. To feel your best, it helps to understand 6 key areas of well-being: nutrition, digestion, hormones, inflammation, stress, and sleep. When these areas are supported together, real change becomes possible. This course is designed to give you a practical, step-by-step path forward. You will learn how to read your body's signals, understand what drives fatigue, hormonal shifts, and digestive discomfort, discover how food and lifestyle choices influence inflammation, and create a realistic, personalized health plan that actually works for your life. The secret to lasting change is not doing everything at once. It is about taking small, consistent steps. Understand why your body responds the way it does. Choose the strategies that make sense for you, then apply them one step at a time. I would love to know what health topic you would most like to understand better. Please comment below. Gut health, hormonal health, fatigue and energy, inflammation, or stress and sleep. And I look forward to sharing more with you over the coming days.